Welcome back to Canik USA. We just got our Canik Mete MC9 Prime, and this is the first thing you do. And open it up. You'll see an envelope that has your warranty and manual information. Check out your firearm, inspect it. Awesome. Now that we've cleared our weapon, now what you're going to do is remove your top layer, and it's going to reveal your additional parts at the bottom of the box. What these parts are your cleaning rod, cleaning brush, and your punch tool. This guy is used for punching out your pin in the back here and swapping out your back straps. Additionally, you're going to find this attachment, and this is your paddle attachment, which takes your inside the waistband G-code holster to an outside the waistband holster. Remember, these are ambi, so they can be configured either left-handed or right-handed. Next, you'll see two additional back straps, so you can better customize your grip to your specific needs of the size of your hand. And lastly, your mechanic tool. Not a keychain, not a little toy. Inside the grip, where the magazine would go, is a little cap. And you'll have your hex picks, replacement screws, and washers for your optics, magazine release button, and magwell. If you guys like this video, give us a big thumbs up, like, share, and subscribe, and follow us for more content.